The where clause is used to filter data from a table. Let's say, for instance, wanted to filter some data from the customers table. The first thing we would need to do is use the customers database. As you can see, for now, we're using the orders database. So we need to write use customers this, and the success. So you can see now it's in bold. After that, need to see the records from the customers table. And remember, in the previous lecture, we learned about the select statement, which is used to retrieve data from the table or select data from the table. Select all from customers table. You don't have to write the word table, just write the name of the table. Colon. Execute this. Yes, as you can see, the data from the customers table just below here, the result grid. So now, let's say we're interested in getting the information about customer ID 3. We wanted to know only information about the customer ID 3. We want to know about the name and the email of customer ID 3. So what we would do is would say select all from customers. It's always a good practice whenever you're writing another command or syntax to go to the next line or row. It's a very good practice. It creates tidy work. Your code is tidy, someone can easily understand it. So select all from customers where customer ID, the customer ID is equal to 3. So select all from the customers table where, after where clause, you're supposed to normally put the column name which you're trying to filter. So from this column customer ID, we only want to see the information for the customer who has ID 3. So if we execute this, as you can see down here, the result shows customer ID 3, customer name Bob Johnson, the email bob@gmail.com. Those are the records we wanted to see. She's filtered out. So if you wanted to say, okay, we're interested in finding out the information for customer ID 1, we'll do the same thing, select. Or let's say only wanted to find out the customer name for customer with ID 2. Say customer name from customers table where customer ID equals 2. Let's execute this. And there you have it, Jane Smith. So that is how we use the select clause to filter the data from the table. Anything need to filter. Let's say even if you wanted to find out only the customer ID for, say, Jane Smith, you just come right here and say you wanted to see the customer ID. You select customer ID from customers, where customer name equals, then in quotes you put Jane Smith.